Welcome to our USPS Change-of-Address Activation tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your change of address order on COAA.USPS.gov, a crucial step in ensuring your mail reaches you at your new address. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter COAA.USPS.gov into the address bar to access the website. We'll perform all the operations from there. Begin by entering your old zip code. Move to the next line and input your new zip code. Then enter your activation code and move to the last line to re-enter your activation code. After that, click on the Activate button. The process is straightforward, but if you have any questions or don't understand any part, feel free to ask in the comments section. Stay tuned to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on managing your USPS services. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Thank you for watching.